Tell me about yourself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduction myself. My name is Irfanda Anggun Satria, usually called Irfanda. I am 20 years old. I was born in Merauke, July 26, 2005. I am the count of three childs. I studied at Musamus University, majoring in Information System. I am a disciplined, responsible, and competent person. In work, and I am enthusiastic and about learning new things. I also joined an organization named the Student Association Marjoin in Information System, while the Student Action Marjoin in Information System. I have a positive names as scarcely in the organization and the growth from the method give to me as scared of the information system department study accession. I can get a lot of useful knowledge and good willing. I can develop this quality in this company.
What are your long range and short range goals objects?
My plan is to ask the knowledge I learning and green daring collect and inspiration. Education in the next 2 and 3 years I plan to exist and certificate too because a system express to interest my level in the this flight. I have set my short and long term plan when applying for this job. I plan to develop myself with the company. So, as my skill increase, I can also help to growth of the company. My long-term plan is to take on a larger role to access my personal capability and provide my best for the company.
Who has collect prepare you for this job?
Collect, prepare my for work. My education in information system give my a strong foundation in programmer and problem solving. Education, the project I work on during college were often directed reality to real work scenario, which I very relevant for the job. The talk knowledge I get from university, I apply in the analysis and development of system in the workplace, which allow me the design of an activity solves to company problem.
What have you learning from your mistakes?
Learning to messenger the stress and NXT also with mixed by education and productive solution function meets.
What question do you have for me?
How do I understand and company culture and dynamics of the time where I will work?
What do you consider your three great strengths? Provide me an explain of when you get your strikes.
Solving skill. I am skilled at identifying challenge and finding activity slot cute. This allows me to handle understanding selection activity. Strong communication. Whether here, white time member of client, I am able to articulate ideas scarcely and listen actively, fostering strong reality and a collaborative work environment. Adaptably, I can also adapt to technology, new process, and scaling priorities. Equally, I make a follow to contribution. White hair, the cute mid-stance. Time management. I am prioritize tasks based on early and information. White allow me to meet the next will waiting in good work. Leadership and teamwork. I thrive in both a leadership role and as a team member, knowing when to take the intellect and when to support others to achieve and commit goal.
What is your greatest weakness?
Adaptable. I can adapt quickly to new experience and process. For example, when my productive environment transmitted to a new software system, I like it later need the system and help training my cloud and ensuring a smooth transition with minimal discount. Problem solving. I spec expert in when we fake and major project step back due to spily handling. I proposed an alternative selection, the recurrent downtime by regular or workflow, which kept the project on track. Collaboration. I always enjoy working in the team. For example, during cross-department project, I feature regular communication and answer all time members, opening and heart, so that the project can be component of selection.
What question do you have that make you think you will be successful?
Because we can offer commitment. Smotimes I can know to my project and onke because I want to help. I later to messenger this by using a more student approach to delegating text and answering that I access my company before again to education responsibility. Over time, this the help me maintain in formats where are validating bonds.
Why should we hear you?
I have 2 years example in organization as character, along with a strong foundation in reality external skill. For example, I hold a certificate of drag that has qualified me with the controller quarrel over the rule. I can then I can tally demonstrate success in the meet in the well of the information system and have participation in web design competition. The prove my ability to meet goals and drive success. I am dating to begin my expand to this company. My prof direct regular in the information system file and my ability to adapt and thrive in new environments make me this ideal candidate. I am example the contribution to the success of your company and believe that my skill in information system file perfect my the requirements of the role. My adaptability, leadership, and problem solving abilities will enable me to provide immediately and lasting impact.
Why did you decide to pursue a career in this fight and industry?
I close this search because I have allowed and a strong internet in this company explain in how the system works. Over the years, I realized that my skills in computer and system align with the domains of the company, and I was example about its growth potential. The potential to work in a fast-growing fleet where I can continue the learn and Apple Now technology. Really, example me, I made Moftis to contribute to the company often and make a progressive impact talk my work.
Tell me about the jobs you have enjoyed the most. Tell me about the jobs you have enjoyed the least.
Work I enjoy most. The work I enjoy most is work that involves a high level of collaboration and problem solving. For example, in my introductory role as system and computer engineer, I worked on the time to make project success at full company, where we were able to come up with creative solutions and drive significant improvements. I enjoy role where I can collaborate with other the after fitting a common goal and where there is room for innovation and personal input. Enjoys I enjoy less. The jobs I less enjoy are the where there is leading opportunity for creativity or creative input and takes the calm to respective or isolating. For example, I had a role in the primary force of systematics and I thought the role to be living because I could apply my problem solving or collaborative skill as much as I could. I thrive in a dreaming ensemble where there is room to learn and community in a variety of ways.
Where would you like to see yourself the years from new with this company?
In the years, I will like to advance to a more senior position where I can take on education, responsibility, and contribution to strategies decision making. I hope I have to developer and deeper experience in information system, leading project or meeting junior team members. I see myself continuing to learning and grow with the company, taking on leadership opportunities and contributing to its long the end success.
How much did you research this company before applying? What speak thing about the jobs most ever you? What speak things about this job lets everything you?
I spend a lot of time researching your company before applying. I am impressed with this company accountability, flap, culture, or operator. I really admire the company of this company string from the why is company runs. And I am sure that my expertise in the field of information system will make a good contribution to the goals of the company. The expense of this job the most excites me are the respective text or operating marketing in the job description, sure and smoking or to golf innovation or leadership. What example me to the left are the small details like curtain administration text, but I see this as a small part of the role, and I am confident that I can messenger it will focusing on the more intense apply of the job.
Tell me about any professional development you have completed. Why did you close it? What professional development opportunities would you like to take in the future and why?
Recently, I completed a config trimming certificate or clause because I want to improve my skill in aspect of school of project management, software profile, leadership ads. It, it is important for me to ensure that I stay up to date with the latest trends this company and certificate help me everything that. In the future, I would like to purpose education, personal developer or certificates special in Azure Defended Certificate, leadership training, or management and information system developer program. I saw this as an opportunity to refine my skill, take on more responsibility, and ultimately move into a leadership role. This operator not only benefits me but also adds value to the company as I grow professionally.
Why did you need to seek a job with us?
I dedicate to seek employment and your company because I dream your expecting fuller mission or reputation at this company. I am very impressed with your commitment to aspects of the company, choose at offering customer setting for disparity, susceptibility, or humility informant. This aligns with my values and goals, and I believe my example in management information system can help contribute to your continuous success. Education, I am excited by the opening to work with the time that wells the positive of their work culture and profit from work professional growth.
In what type of work environment do you provide? How would you can you prefer what everyone to make it more productive?
I work best in a collaborative, dressing work environment that encourages open commitment introduction, innovating and team enactment. I love being in a place that follows creativity and having the freedom to contribute new hidden will learning from ad hoc. At a previous job, I felt the work environment could be more productive with clear communication and more opportunities for cross-department collaboration. I'm hoping implementing more regular team meeting and creating a speak for project upgrades, which help simplify workflow and improve commitment between team.
What type of individual do you enjoy working with the most? What the type of individual do you like working with the least?
I I enjoy working with individuals who are team oriented, open to Facebook and passionate about this work. People who have a positive attitude and strong work ethics and I witness to collaboration that to break out the best it's me. On the other hand, I find and do the fix to work with individuals who are very unproductive, unwilling to share ideal or resting to challenge. I thrive in a environment where that is mutual, relational, and where people are open, minded, and focused on selection.
Tell me about the best survivor white war you have worked. What was is her management style? Tell me about the most favorite survivor you have had. Why did you with it the defeat to work with me her?
Best survivor. The best survivor I worked with had a very supportive and empowering management style. They provide clear guidance by to me with the autonomy my to make discounts which help me grow professionally. They also provide regular feedback and audits. Continue learning. This makes fulfill at pride and motivate to extend experts. Most drive survivor. The most drive survivor I worked with was small, who had a micromanagement of plan. Will I understand that this common from the rest to ensure quality. It is a challenge for me to take the intuitivity and smoke my creativity. I with the I prove better in the situation where I am more independent because I can develop a something with content survivor. Over time, I work on committing my net for money in the reputable way and we force a better leg. Thanks.
What was you think you can make a continent to our company?
I believe in can contribute to your company by bringing my expertise in the computer or information system files, sur a project management, problem solving, or technical knowledge. My ability to manage time will help drive everything and innovation with the time. Additionally, my passion for the relative company and my commitment to content improvements will allow me to contribute fresh ideas and work collaboratively to achieve your company goals. I also want to leverage my activity in the information system where to help information professors solve a problem and support and growth of the time and the company are well. Tell me about a time when you had to make a deadline, which did seem to allow Hangout team. How did perfect? What was the outcome? In my profile, I was tasked with completing a project that had a very deadline. I implementally broken the project down into smaller tasks and prioritized them based on urgency and impacts. I'm communication with my team to ensure every now understood their roles and we kept the lines of communication open. I also identified and potential obstacles early on the address time. Give me an example of the conflict of problem that you experience in province work setting and how you deadline it. In a project, there was a disagreement between two team members about the direction we should take on a proper text. The conflict was causing delays, so I identified a meeting with both individuals to discuss their concerns and find a solution. I listened attentively, attentively to both sides, helped them understand a altered perception, and suggested and compromise that incorporated and best elements for both ideas. This resolution helped me restore collaboration and white finish the project on time. This built a situation where you had to make an decision and key information was slow in accompanying to you. What action did you take? What was the outcome? While managing and project, I was waiting on extend data from and third party vendor take my quarter decision. As the information was daily, I took the initiative to work on alternative aspect of the project the diet roller the data immediately. I also kept the founder upgrade on our timers and escalate the coin where Nelly. This perfectly allowed the project to continue moving forward while waiting for the mixed information or the data came in. I was able to make the question quickie and the project stay on track, partially by starting organizing focusing on key text and working externally, I was able to meet the deadline successful and the project was well referenced by both my team and the client. Give me a speak experience of time when you saw your supervisor professor on an idea of component. How you did you perfect? What was the review? During a class project, I proposed Usaili, a new tool to treadmill data analysis, I when my processor would be hesitant about adapting something unfamiliar. So I refine the tool technology and prepare a deadline presentation. I hing the benefits suits a team selfing and involve a quality and common trend. How it can be applied to our current work. My processor was conflicted by the data and the Clark exploiting. And
Describe
by
the
adding
system you
using
ask
the
for
tool,
keeping ticks
working
of
greatly
multi-pet project.
improves our
How do you track the
flexibility
progress
and
of
the
various
quality of
projects
work.
in reality to trail deadline? How do you stay focused?
I completely of project management tools such as Theory or Asana, Alogis and directly to the leads to track the process of my project. X project is broken down introspective text, which I prefix this based on the lines. I really check in on my process and adjust my priorities if need. To stay focused, I block at deadline times for specific tasks and milizi distribution. This system has helped
Describe
me
two of the
manage
most significant
multi-project
challenges you have
effectively
experienced
and
in
meet
your course
deadline
introduction.
compatibility.
How did your overcome time? What did you learn?
One challenge I faced was adapting to a new software system in my product's job. It was tough at first because I had limited experience with it. With it, I overcome this by taking online courses, seeking help from colleagues, and putting on my own time. I also creative and created to streamline my workflow. The other challenge was working on group project with working ideal. I learning
Give me a
the
speak
importance of
example
open
of
community
time
and
when you
compromise
took
the
the
experience I
interview
commit
to
goal.
improve or
This
smiler.
experience
A type
taught me the
at
benefit of
profit job track why was
professional
a
skill and
corner trainers
collaboration.
white the automate.
At my proof job, I noting that our molting reporting process while very time commencing and pointed to errors. I told the
Describe
initiative
a
to
time when
automatic
you went out
runs
of
of
your
the
way to help
reporting
some
using Excel,
understand
my host
a
and telling
new
the
text
template
or
the
producer.
method of process my quiz and more editor the can solve the time software house of work at Smite, and the information accuracy helped us make better informed decisions. When I know Cluitin joining on time, I'm doing the ware storing with a Plufra software tool we took for Project Turkey.
Closing
I
the
thought to
interview.
welcome talks the process, accessibility, active tab, slow and partly. I also provide and writing guides that they cover refer to when they accumulated and usage. By the end of the week, they were contributing using the tool independent, which improves their productivity and conflict in the team. That's all my interview. If here are and works, please forgive me. Thank you.